Jan, ffantastig, ynddo?
Da iawn, Jan.
Enw da hefyd, Jan Stetson.
Yeah, like
Good
a cowgirl.
Yeah.
Jan Stetson. Yeah, diolch yn fawr.
Sorry, Jan. Right, sgwni, os oes gennym ni Wilwyr, have we got any viewers yn Iwerddon? Ble mae Iwerddon, Matt?
Sgwni. Island.
Island. Enw arall ar Iwerddon ydy yr Ynys Werdd.
Ynys Werdd.
Yeah, like the Emerald Isle, literally, the Green Island.
The Green Island.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
But, ti'n clywed? Gwyrdd is green.
Yeah.
Yr Ynys, werdd. Which takes me yn slick iawn onto a nodyn Nia heddiw.
Nia.
Dych chi'n barod am hyn?
I love a nod in Nia. Come on.
Today, Matthew, we're going to look at the feminine form of adjectives and the plural form of adjectives.
Have a good one. Have a good show. Enjoy it. The feminine form of adjective.
Yeah.
Yeah, you carry on. You carry on. Oh, I'll be back.
Right,
Sgwni?
Mae hwn yn ddiddorol. Sgwni.
Sgwni?
If my life can get more interesting.
Go.
Okay, right, ti'n barod? Let's go.
Ti'n barod?
Ooh, okay. So, basically iawn, mae yna rhai lliwiau, some colours, where there is a feminine form of the word that we use, okay? We don't use them as often today as years ago, ond dyma rhai dyn ni yn ddefnyddio, okay? So, gwyn,
Gwyn.
okay, changes to Gwen. But what I've done is shown you the mutated form here, because we'd always use that. So, for example, okay, if you say, if you use the word siaced, which is feminine, iawn, so instead of saying siaced Gwyn, you say siaced Wen, the feminine form of it.
Okay.
Because jacket is feminine.
Jacket is a feminine.
Yeah?
Okay.
So, siaced Wen. Coat, like coat, coat felen.
Coat felyn.
A yellow coat.
A yellow coat.
Gwyrdd
Gwyrdd.
and werdd, so like Ynys Werdd.
Ynys Werdd.
The Emerald Isle, yeah?
Emerald Isle. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I kind of see
And this
it.
is, you don't
The
need to
difficult thing
use
there-
it, but just to deall, really,
Yeah,
you know?
the most difficult thing is knowing what is masculine and what is feminine.
Okay, so not only do we have feminine versions of the describing word, the colour, but plural.
Oh, it just keeps getting better, this nodding
Cymraeg
Nia.
rocks. Right, ti'n barod? Nesa.
No.
See,
Coch.
ti wedi clywed rhain. So, crysau cochion.
Crysau, shirt.
Yeah.
Shirt.
Shirts.
Cochion,
The
red
shirts.
shirt.
So, Cymru. Yeah, Tîm
Cymru.
Cymru, a crysau cochion. Come on, a crysau cochion.
Yeah.
Gleision.
Gleision. The blues.
Yn union.
That's
See?
rugby, the blues. Oh,
Yeah,
I see
so
now.
the
I'm going
plural,
to base
so
this
that's-
based on rugby now.
Iawn.
Okay.
Hwnna'n
That makes everything easier for me now.
Hwnna'n
Yeah.
helpu.
Gleision.
So that's where it comes from. Well, so glass, blue, gleision, plural.
Blues.
Blues.
Dion.
Dion. Dion.
Dere Dion. Come on, you blacks. Like New Zealand.
Oh, yeah. Crysau Dion.
Crysau Dion.
Gwyn.
Gwyn.
Gwynion.
Gwynion.
Yeah. Beth am mynd i symud ymlaen?
Bŵr.
Byr.
Byr.
Iawn, byr, short.
Yeah.
So there's also a feminine version of these. Okay, so these aren't colours, they're describing words, so adjectives,
Okay.
yeah? So, byr, ver.
Ver.
So, like we say, oh, dych chi'n barod am egwyl ver? Are you ready for a short break? We don't say egwyl byr, we say egwyl ver. So heddiw, Matt, your challenge is to link out. Dych chi'n barod am egwyl ver?
That I can do.
That you can do. Right.
I'll try my best.
Nesa, dofn. Dofn, iawn?
Dofn.
Ddofn, I've put
Dofn,
the
ddofn.
mutated version,
Beth
iawn?
yw dofn?
Dofn, deep.
Deep.
Deep. So, afon,
Afon, river.
river. Afon ddofn.
Afon ddofn.
Yeah. Right,
Afon ddofn.
Nesa. Same again here, iawn? So, bychan, small, goes to fechan. Crwn goes to gron, so like a ford gron, the round table. Brith and fraith, siaced fraith, as in Joseph and the siaced fraith. Hapus?
Na,
Ond,
dwi ddim yn hapus.
peidiwch...
Wow.
Peidiwch a phoeni am y peth,
Yeah.
iawn? Peidiwch a phoeni. Ond, the reason I'm telling you is that, you know, sometimes you go, ooh, I just heard Ynys Werdd, Gwers, ooh, maybe I'm saying it wrong, or egwyl ver. So, fel bod chi'n nabod y geiriau, just so you recognise them. It's
Okay.
not the end of the world if you say byr instead of ver, or
Nobody's going to hunt me down and chase me out of my town.
I might.
Will you?
Falle. Right. Dych chi'n gwybod lle dyn ni'n mynd nesa? Y wers Gymraeg. Should we
wers
go and
Gymraeg.
see a proper teacher, Hefin?
Yeah, do you know what? This is about time we had a proper teacher on this show.
He's a poor vegetarian hefyd, llysieuwr druan.
Is he a veggie?
A fi.